Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how I get big, voluptuous, beautiful curls. So we're going to start off with sectioning our hair in half, and then with one of the halves you want to section that in half again, as you can see on the screen. So what you want to do is you want to make sure your hair is smooth and brushed out pretty well before you start. And I took off my cardigan because it was about to get hot with the straightener on my hair. So what you want to do, of course, heat protector if it's going to be hot. So what you want to do is you want to take a small section of hair, or if you want to call it a 1-inch section of hair, whatever you want to call it, and then you just want to wrap it around the straightener and push downwards and away from your face. Works best for me, whatever you want to do, but just works best for me going away from my face. And we're just going to continue that the whole way down, and I'm going to do a few in normal speed so you can see how it goes. But of course, as Matt started the video now, just like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I do daily hair videos on here for the whole of June, and I might continue it on to July since it's going so well. But yeah, because I have so many ideas to come along. If there's something you want me to do, you want to send me a photo, something you want to try, please do it on my Instagram and I will get onto it. So my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok is all at colleens.creations. You can find me in all social medias that way. So you just want to continue and push it back. Just throw it back and you'll worry about it afterwards. So once each section is done, I'm going to roll it up, or you're going to see what I do now in a moment. So once it's all curled, then I like to smoothen out with my hands or a brush and just do a pin curl. And I don't do every curl as a pin curl. With these kind of curls, because I want it big and bouncy and voluptuous, if you do each curl pinned up, it's going to be too curly. You won't get that voluptuous, sexy bounce. You'll get more of a tighter bounce, which is cute as well, and I'll do a video on that. But I just like to do it like this just to get it, it's quicker to do, and it gives off a lot smoother effect as well. So I took down another section of hair and did the same again, all curling away from my face. And then again, I used the brush for this one just because I thought it needed an extra little brush through. And you're just going to pin it up with some pins. So you can use just ordinary hairpins, or if you have bigger clips like me, you can use them as well. It makes no odds. And then we're at the top of the hair, and I just split this in a few different sections and curled all the way down along. You can see how the curls, they kind of curl mainly to the end, which is what I wanted to kind of go for anyway. And as I get to the front of the hair, I tend to do slightly smaller sections just because the hair is shorter and I want it to curl and frame around my face a little bit more. And then the last one, I did the exact same thing as all the rest. So you can see each side of the hair, you're only going to have 3 or maybe 4 maximum of pin curls up. And I didn't go through the whole process with the other side just because I thought it was a little bit repetitive to watch. And then I did some hairspray and I left it in for about 10-15 minutes, and then I took it out, and this is the effect we got, and it just turned out so beautiful. I was so happy with how it turned out. That clip is annoying to get out of hair sometimes, but it just turned out so beautiful. And I run my hands through it, and then I also brush it over as well, just to get the kind of effect that I want. So once they're all out, then you can start messing around with them and seeing what you want to do. But you can see the ones around my face are that little bit tighter because they have to be to give the little bit more frame. So I use my hands just to brush it through, and you can manipulate and recurl into the kind of shape that you want it to be. And I got a little comb just to brush it through, and you can see it's just so big, bouncy, voluptuous, just everything you want. Sorry, the focus went a little out and I didn't really notice until I'm editing and doing the voiceover now. But again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. A little clip makes it pretty as well. But thank you again, guys.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how to do a bow in your hair. Sorry, the thumbnail is different to the video just because I didn't take a proper video of the bow, and I knew I already had a photo with the same result, so that's why I did that. Also, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you like this video. So let's get into it. So the first things first you want to do is you want to tie your hair up in a high ponytail. Get your tangle teaser or your paddle brush and just really stretch it up so the rest of your hair is super smooth and silky. The height of the ponytail is completely up to you. I prefer it a little bit higher. So then you want to get a little bit of hair and wrap it around the elastic band you used, just so it's not visible. This is optional, but of course it does make it look a lot more flawless and a little nicer. So then once you pin that out of the way, then your hair should be already split in half. Sorry, I forgot to say that. Add a load of back combing as much as you can. Add a little bit of hairspray, but not too much, so it's still easy enough to brush out. And then you just want to comb it out and just roll it along your fingers till you get a little roll at the bottom. And then this bit is just where you just kind of fix it to make it look like one half of a bow. And yeah, so you just want to make sure it's nice and smooth and brushed out and rolled nice and tightly, and stick in a load of pins so they make sure it stays in place and it doesn't fall out. I think in each side I put in about 5 pins just to really place it in. And so yeah, optional for yourself, but it's always better to put in more than less, and you just need to fix it to make it look how a desired bow looks. And I think once you see the end result, you'll see what I mean, so it's kind of hard to explain as we're going along. And then you want to do the exact same thing on the other side. Add in all the back combing, a little smidge of hairspray, and then you want to comb it out and roll it down. And you just want to continue going like that, just smoothing out the side that people will see. And I know on the other side I didn't smooth out completely, but I wasn't mad at the same time, so I just left it. And you can see you're starting to get the little bow effect now. And yeah, so then that's kind of the whole look. Is your bow. You just want to add in a few pins, put it into place. It is slightly different to the thumbnail because it took on a different day, but the effect is still the same. And I put in these little leopard print earrings that I think I got in H&M last year, and I really love them. I love my earrings. If you've seen any of my videos, I'm always putting them on. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I do daily hair videos all this month with some tips and tricks along the way as well for lifestyle. And yeah, see you in the next one. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a waterfall braid, and my hair was a little bit dirty, so I used some dry shampoo all over the roots and then used my hands and a brush just to get it in and to brush away any kind of white bits that might be seen. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So let's get straight into it. So part your hair on the side you want it, get a section of hair and break it into 3. So as you do a normal braid, bring one bit over the left and then over the right, but then the bit in the bottom you want to drop, and instead of adding more hair, you want to create a new section of hair to bring up. So let's repeat this again. So you want to go over as normal with normal braid, and instead of adding in a bit of hair as like a French braid, you want to drop it and then create a new section of hair to bring up. So again, you just want to repeat, and I did this in real time and as slow as I could so that you could really see the effect of what I was doing. So you're just going to be dropping and picking up a new piece of hair, and this does take a little bit of skill, but if you know how to do a French braid, then this braid is super easy to do. I promise you, you just need to try it once or twice and then you'll get the exact effect of it. So then all I did at the very end was I just did a normal braid the whole way down. But I recommend you just watch this video 3 times, even just the first minute of this video, just watch it 3 times and then you will really get how to do this. I am going to do some more waterfall cool looking braids, but I just wanted to do this first so that everyone can have a proper go. Also, excuse the brow moment. It's just quarantine's really got to me in my brows. My poor brows, they don't know what hit them. I used to get them done every 6 weeks religiously, and now it's just like I haven't got them done in like 3 months. So yeah, excuse that. But then you just want to fluff out the braid a little just to give it a little bit of volume, but you don't want to pull any of the other bits out. And then you can use your hair, whether it's curly, whether it's straight. This is one of them hairstyles that are good for a quick go on the go look, where you want your hair a bit off your face but still in it. And then these are cute, just little flowers. I like to put it one side to just give my hair that little bit of a fun look on the other side, because the other side can be a little bit basic. Sometimes I would do 2 waterfall braids, one on either side, but for me, I just thought that it's better off just to do it on one side for the video, just to show you, and we will get more complex as the month goes on. I'm just thinking for this month to just kind of keep all the videos a little bit basic and straightforward, and then next month maybe we can do a daily video that's a little bit more drastic. This is also Body Shop lip stain, and it's so nice, so pretty. It actually comes up a lot more pink on camera than in person. It's a lot more red. But yeah, that's the whole tutorial. Really quick, really easy, really simple. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for clicking in. I really appreciate it. Smash the subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, and see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Mwah.